Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video about grass gardening, where we shall show you how to make a green, healthy carpet outside. Grass is not only an important part of a well-kept yard, but it also gives people a soft, inviting place to play outside. In this video, we shall show you how to grow grass and give you tips on how to make your yard look lush and green. Number 1. How to choose grass. Find out about the different kinds of grass and how well they grow in your area's temperature, soil, and amount of sunlight. Choosing the right type of grass is important for a healthy yard. Whether you want a cool session grass like Kentucky bluegrass or warm season grass like Bermuda grass. Number 2. Getting the lawn ready. Find out you need to do the get your lawn ready for the best grass growth. This includes getting the dirt ready, getting rid of trash, and taking care of any weeds or pests. A healthier garden will also be helped by making the ground level and improving drainage. Number 3. Planting grass and giving it water. Find out the best way to plant seeds or lay sod to start a new yard or fix bare spots. Learn how to water properly, such as by giving it deep watering regularly and not giving it too much or too little water. If you water your grass the right way, it will grow healthy roots and last longer. Fertilizing your lawn and getting rid of weeds. Learn about the most important things you need to do keep your yard healthy and free of weeds. Learn when and how to use fertilizers and how to get rid of weeds effectively with things like pre-emergent herbicide and regular lawn care. Number 5. Mowing the lawn and taking care of it. Find out how to mow your lawn right so that your grass stays healthy and grow good. Find out how often you should mow your grass and how high you should cut it. Doing regular maintenance or on yard like aerating, hatching and reseeding also help it stay strong and look good. To grow a lush green lawn, you need patience, hard work, and the right method to grass gardening. With the right grass, proper lawn preparation, watering, fertilizing, weed control, and upkeep, you make an outdoor carpet that adds to the beauty of your landscape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and ideas for grass planting. Stay tuned for our next video, where we shall go into more detail about farming. Happy grass gardening. Thank you very much.